In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can create math worksheets in Google Docs. So let's get started. So open your Google Docs. Okay, so I have this one from here. Now we just need to simply click on the Insert tab. So click on the Insert tab. And here you will find table. So you just need to simply choose this until 20 by 20. Okay. Okay, so we just need to go back to it. Insert table and then choose 20 by 20. Okay? Okay, like that. So now that we have added 20 by 20, it's pretty much it. Okay? Like that. Okay, but if you want to add more from here, you just need to simply copy this one. Okay? And then Control C. Or you can simply make a right click and then you have the option insert 4 rows below. Okay? And then right click, insert 3 rows below. Okay, you may select everything from here. Right click, select insert 9 rows below. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.